Hello guys, I'm Varsha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with this planner. It is a yearly planner from Itsy Bitsy. It is very simple and elegant. I don't like to do journaling and writing all the things a lot, but this is very simple and this is something that I find perfect for myself. So let's see how it is. First we have my year in a nutshell. So you can write anything important over here. Then we have every month like January. Here you can see first you have this January calendar where you can write your birthday, important dates and events. Then something like books, movies if you want to mention. I will just skip this part. Now let's turn the page and see what's next. So here you can write day by day to-do list, and if you want to add some colors, we are provided with these sticker sheets. And here we have 4 sticker sheets, so if you want to highlight or add some colors at a specific point or event, then you can do this using these stickers. As I said, I am not a journaling person, but I like to write my actions and what are the tasks I have to do next. So that is why I find this useful, because it is very simple. I don't have to do a lot of things. And like this, we will find all the months here. You can see. So I like the simplicity of this planner. It's perfect for me. Do let me know what do you think about this planner. Also would like to mention that they had 4 designs in this. I will share link in the description box. You can go and check it out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.